Hello students, welcome again to Paramount Public School. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter of our class 6th of your computer science book Alpha. Chapter name is Presentation Visual Effects, chapter number 5. The topics which we are going to discuss today is different views in presentation. In your previous class, you came to know about how to make a PowerPoint presentation and what are the different structures for the PowerPoint presentation. In this chapter, you came to know about how can you view your presentation with different types. How can you can view or you can display your presentation with different views, and how can you edit or change your presentation with that views. So let's discuss how many type of views are there in PowerPoint presentation. There are totally 8 views which we can use to make our presentation view with different views. The first one is normal view. Second is slide sorter view. Third one is outline view. Fourth is notes page. Fifth is reading view. Sixth one is slide master. Seventh is handout master, and eighth is notes master. In this class we came to know about these 8 views. We will discuss one by one, but in this presentation we only discuss first 4 views, and in next slide we discuss next 4 views. Okay, so now let's discuss about normal view. What is normal view? Normal view is a main editing view of the PowerPoint presentation. By default, we see our presentation, or we can make our presentation in normal view. This normal view is further divided into three parts. The first one is slides pane. This slide panes you see at the left corner of the presentation, where it will show the thumbnails of your presentation, the thumbnails of your slides. Second is slide. Slide is the bigger view of the current slide. You can see at the center of your presentation, your current slide shows in a bigger view. That is called slide. Notes pane is at the bottom of the slide, where you can write notes or discuss something about that current slide. This is the view of normal view in presentation. See, the left side contains the slide pane, where there is thumbnails of the slides. In center, where you can see click to add title and click to add subtitle, this is the slide, which is the biggest view of your current slide. And see the bottom, where click to add notes, where you can add notes about the slide or discuss about the slide. Next view is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is just exclusive view for the thumbnail forms. See, if you want to see your slides in one screen, see all slides in one screen, and you want to edit or you want to do some changes in particular slide, so this slide sorter view helps you a lot. It will show the overall picture of your presentation in one slide. See, this is the slide sorter view. These are the 14 slides, and which are shown on a single slide. You can edit it, you can delete them, or you can do anything what you want to do at one time. Third one is the outline view. Outline view shows the text of your slide on the left pane, just like thumbnails. Just it shows the text whatever contained in your slides. You can delete or you can edit that text pane with the help of outline view. See, this is the view of outline view. See the left side, it contains the text which you have entered in all slides. You can delete it, you can change it, you can edit it, or you can format it with the help of outline view. Now the fourth view is notes page view. This view shows that how the presentation looks, just like how you make the notes of your studies. See, this is the notes page view. We rarely use this type of views, but it will show that how your presentation look like a notes. So that's all for this presentation, this class. In next class we will discuss about the 4 different left views: reading view, slide master view, handout master view, and notes master view. So for the till time, thank you so much students. Be safe at home. Thank you so much.